say it should be a curve. dn by v versus v should be a curve. It's a hypothetical situation. You can bring parabolic, hyperbolic. Just as a mathematically, we should analyze here. What is the area under this curve will give? Total number of molecules, no? So dn by v. Are you seeing this is the curve? This is that experimental curve. For your understanding purpose, I'll put that arrow. So first we'll calculate total number of molecules, sample of n gas particles telling. So that n will try to express in terms of this one. So what is the first one? dn by dv should be equal to slope into v. So what is the slope of this one? A by v naught. Agree this. So dn is equal to a by v naught v dv. So this total number of molecules is n. Speed distribution is how much? 0 to v naught. Okay, solving this, total number of molecules equal to a v naught square by 2. So finally, n equal to a v naught by 2. So therefore, a v naught is equal to 2n. The value of a v naught is equal to 2n. What is n? N what we should call? Total number of molecules. That is nothing but equal to area, no? Area under the curve will give total number of molecules. That's what I did. Now is asking the average. So, okay, if you can recollect kinematics, we did average, no? So how to calculate the average speed? V of dn by total number of molecules, where the speed is varying from 0 to v naught. So what is the expression for v? From where to bring expression for v? So the same equation, dn is equal to what we can write it as? Av by v naught into dn. So as we know that, I'll write it here. dn by d is equal to Av naught from the graph. So what is dn is equal to Av v naught into dv. Let me substitute that here. 1 by n 0 to v naught. This will be Av by v naught into dv. Okay, this v also here, you know. A by n v naught outside v square dv by 0 to v naught. Okay, this will be a n v naught v cube by 3 0 to v naught. So finally we'll end up with so what is v average should be equal to a v naught square by 3n naught. Now what is sorry, this is I think n no 3n. What is n? N is equal to a v naught by 2. Two v naught by 3. So therefore v average by v should be equal to 2 by 3. RMS speed. Maybe you don't know this later part you are going to learn. What is the RMS speed? I think, can you remember what is RMS speed? What is the significance of it? The total energy of gas is equal to sum of kinetic energy of individual molecules. So that is what this equation is. And different molecules, they'll have different speed. So what we write, mass of each molecule into number of molecules n into VRMS square. So shall we take this one? What is small m? Mass of each molecule into number of molecules. So that will become mass of gas into RMS square by 2. This should be equal to sum of kinetic energy of individual molecules. Will you agree this? And different molecules, often the speed will be varying. So this, what we will rewrite it as n into VRMS square is equal to V square into dV, V square into dN. I'll integrate it. This is 0 to V naught. Because the speed of molecules what happen continuously, they will change. So you can ask questions. So why you are writing like this? And next step you wrote like this. Look at the speed of molecules. They are varying continuously, no, here. So therefore, now this in an integral form, we can write it here. So y square. If the speed is varying continuously, no, so we can integrate here. If you know specifically speed of molecules, okay, substitute here. If the speed of molecules is varying continuously, you can see this. So therefore, I'll bring the integration. Okay, this should be now VRMS square equal to 1 by n V square into what is dn? Again, in the beginning we wrote it, no, a v naught by v naught dn. It is what it is. I think symbol dv. VRMS square is equal to a n v naught v cube by dv 0 to v naught. Next, what we get it? This will be v naught to the power of 4 by 4. Now, what is n? N is a v naught by 2 how much we are getting? V naught square by 2. So finally, what is VRMS? V naught by root 2. So VRMS by V naught will be 1 by root 2. Simple math base may not be very much useful for us in physics. I can bring this curve like this, dn by dv